Good morning, students. This is sixth chapter, Early Civilization. Early Civilization. Early civilization was classified into Indian civilization, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and other sites. Advanced Aryans between 1500 to 500 BC. Early Vedic age and later Vedic age. In this chapter, we first understand about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization, understand the city planning, economic life, literature, social life, art, religion, and trade. We understand Aryan culture and political organization of early Vedic age and later Vedic age. Indian Valley civilization. Observe, this is a Indian Valley civilization. Indus. That means Indus. India has a long history. It has a rich culture of tradition. India is a living museum of the ancient world and its lost civilizations. Most historians thought that Indian history began with the Vedic period until the last century. The excavations of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in 1920s pushed back our history by at least 2000 years. They found an excellent and advanced civilization earlier to Vedic period. It is called Indus Valley Civilization or Harappa Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization developed along the river Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra. The traces of these rivers are found by the satellite images and other sources. The cities of the civilization spread over more than 1500 places in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Western Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. They are also found in Afghanistan and in the provinces of Punjab, Sindhu and Balochistan of Pakistan. The Harappa civilization flourished between 2500 1700 BC. City planning. The city of Harappa civilization were well planned. They were protected by forts. They had wide roads, public wells. In Mohenjo-daro, the great bath, the great tank for public bath was found. There are rooms on all sides. It was used during religious congregations. 6 large gangreas and quarters for laborers were found in Harappa cities. Lothal was a popular harbor in those days. Lothal was a popular harbor in those days. That is a very famous. Drainage system. They had a well-planned underground drainage system like us, which shows the implementation gives to cleanliness and public health. Economic life. Weaving cotton and woolen cloths were the main occupations. They are created for growing cotton for the first time. Production of baked bricks was another occupation. They reared cattle, goats, pigs, dogs, camels, and donkeys. They carried out trade activities through the port Lothal in the Arabian Sea with Mesopotamia, Egypt, Iran, etc. Thank you. We see remaining part in the next class.